The best haircut for long, fine hair is something that is not going to make it look fine, right? Or thin, or like it's just hanging or weighing you down. So there's something that you have to keep in mind. If you have long hair and the texture of it is on the finer side, maybe having a long hairstyle isn't for you. But check this out. You could also have a ton of fine hair, right? I've seen heads of hair that are like, it's a massive amount, but the hair texture itself is very, very fine. So can you have a long hairstyle with fine hair? Yes, you can. Now, what you have to keep in mind is that fine hair, right, doesn't mean thin or you're thinning, but fine hair, it's the texture itself, the density of it, that it shows a lot of mistakes. So if you have a haircut that is very heavily layered, it could really look very choppy and it can be a complete disaster. So you have to make sure that if you are going to wear your hair on the longer side, that you really find somebody who understands layering and is really good at shaping your hair. Now, here's an example, okay? This is a mannequin head that the hair itself is very, very, very fine, right? It's almost like I can literally just pull pieces off because it's so fine. And there's nothing wrong with that, but that's just the hair texture. And let's just say this is a little bit on the long-ish side. So what happens is, the good thing about this haircut is that, as you can see in through here, let's get a little bit closer, we've got some layers going on in through here. And the good thing about layers is that you're able to kind of scrunch the hair up a little bit, and that's going to give it some volume and some texture, okay? So layering is great for fine hair, but if you don't have a lot of hair, and if it's heavily, heavily layered, it could look very, very choppy. You do need to put a lot of styling work into your hair if you do, male or female, if you do want to make it look fuller. We're talking round brush, we're talking, like Tidal Wave, my sea salts, volumizing spray, shampoos. There's a whole bunch of things that you need to get that volume, right? To support the haircut. But if you're somebody who just is looking for kind of a haircut, you do have a ton of hair and you want to be a little more free-flowing with your haircut, then you can actually wear it a bit more on the medium length to longer side. Another option is, and I've done videos on this, is where you just have a longer face frame coming down into the length, so that what that does is it just adds a little bit of softness right throughout the front area, okay? You keep in mind, your hair will lay very, very straight and very, very flat if you do have that sort of hair texture. Another thing you can do, and I'm going to bring out another, here's another option, all right? This mannequin head has a lot of hair, similar to what we just showed you, but the hair texture itself is a bit more on the finer side. Again, you can see this comes down to about right here, but the hairstyle is off to the side. And what that does, the side, it actually helps camouflage, sorry about that, it does help camouflage the fact that the hair may be a bit finer, because when you're taking the hair from one side over, you're actually getting a lot more volume and hair coming on this side because you're taking more hair over. So you're going to get a little more volume sometimes by doing a side part, as you can see through here. You just want to make sure that whatever style that you have, it's going to complement, what you want, right? It's going to be complementary to you. And lastly, here is another look that has some texture to it. It's like a medium length layered haircut. The hair is very, very fine. You can actually scrunch it. See what I'm doing? I'm actually scrunching it. That's where Tidal Wave comes in very, very handy for looks like this. You spray it on. It's a sea salt volumizing spray. Let it air dry, or you use a diffuser from the blow dryer and just scrunch and get a lot of volume in it, so that even though it's fine, you're building up that foundation and you're going to get a lot more out of it. Don't forget, if you go to shop.thesalonguy.com and use code YouTube20, that's code YouTube20, you get 20% off, which is an exclusive code just for YouTube viewers, and it's free shipping in the United States.